Hello everyone, Bitcoin is currently trading at 83,700 US dollar. We will look into possible scenarios for Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to support me and my content, please leave a like and comment with at least 7 words to help boost the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. I have a separate video analyzing several altcoins on my channel if you are interested in that kind of analysis. Let's get to Bitcoin. So what I see for Bitcoin is at the moment two possible falling wedges. The one is yellow, the other one is orange. I think the orange one is better because the yellow one looks a bit weird to me, but it's also valid in my opinion. The target of the yellow one would be the 87,550 US dollar. But I will delay it now because I want to continue with the orange one. The orange one looks far more better because the angle of the trend lines is better in my opinion and we have more touch points with it. We broke the falling wedge to the upside. We retested it and we got a follow through. So I think it's ongoing, that pattern, and the target would be the 86,920 US dollar or $870 depending on where to put. Yeah, let's say 86,900 US dollar right here. So what does it mean for Bitcoin? So far, we broke an resistance, possible resistance to the upside at $83,520. If we close our candle over that resistance, it would be positive, and then I think we can go for that fair value gap here up to 84,930 US dollar. If we also break that to the upside, then we can get into the next fair value gap area. What I so far said is that the chance is very high that we see the area here between $86,250 to 87,000 US dollar. I did it with resistance and with fair value gaps. Now I have tracked a falling wedge which broke to the upside, and the target is also 87,000 US dollar, so that fair value gap. So I think that is the chance that we are get into that area is very high. But here we have to think about what is coming next. Is this just going to be an up move and then we sell off? Why that? Because we still have the price target ongoing from the rising wedge. The rising wedge on your left. It broke to the downside and the target would be 79,000 US dollar. I think the 80,000 are more realistic. Why? Because that's support, where we have seen a trend reversal in the past. It can happen again. Or is this just going to be here, the up move, then we get a small setback, and from here get the strength to get into the areas of the all-time highs. We have to track that. It depends on how the chart is going to develop and what kind of impulsive pumps or dumps we will see. But so far it looks long to me. We have said before Bitcoin was short, and once we broke the white trend line to the upside, I have communicated it, then I will close all my short positions for Bitcoin. For sure we went a bit lower than the breakout point. It was maximum 1.8%, but still we never will be able to sell at the maximum profit. But still, I think I did the right decision here, because after that, if we can see it, 1%, Bitcoin went 1% over my exit of the short trade. So, Ethereum. I have said the same about Ethereum. I have made the trend line yellow so you can see it better. If we break the yellow trend line to the upside, which we did, then I would close all my Ethereum short positions. What happened after that is Ethereum went down another 3%, but at the moment the price stands 1% higher than my exit. So I think I did the right decision here as well. What I think for Ethereum is it's not long to me at the moment. I don't see any chart pattern. Maybe we can say, okay, here we got a breakout and it looks good. but I want to see the $1,850 breaking to the upside, then I would be ready to take a long trade for Ethereum. Then I think it's long up to $1,900 to $1,918. Why that? Because as you can see here, the $1,900 were support in the past, and the $1,918 were resistance. Yeah, so that whole area, I think there it's going to get decided. Will Ethereum get a break to the upside? Then it's going to be very positive, because I think we have a huge fair value gap over us, which should get closed, this one. If you look into the altcoin analysis later, the render coin, I would just show that. This block right here to your left was a huge fair value gap. And over the time, we closed it. Even 100% of that fair value gap got closed. Same for Ethereum. I think that especially this trend, this fair value gap between $1,940 to $1,995, it should get close with a very high chance. So what would I do? I would take profits in the area between $1,900 to $1,917. If we get down and I track another trend line, for example, we get up and I track a trend line, I would take profits into that area, and if we break that trend line to the downside, then I would close my whole long position for Ethereum. But what would I do if Ethereum is going to break out? Okay, no problem. I took profits 50%. But if we break the $1,917, then I would put more money into Ethereum. Because then I think the chance is very high that we can reach prices up to $1,980. Why that? Because we had seen in the past the $1,918 were support, where we have seen we got a price reversal. And I think the same is going to happen once we get to $1,980. And there I would close my Ethereum long position with profits. So, thank you for watching. If I gave you valuable information, I would appreciate if you click the like button, and if you are interested in daily updates, feel free to subscribe me. Have a nice day with huge gains. See you.